cold as much anymore. So I was really feeling happy that today was a little bit warmer, but you know, we could use some snow. It could feel a little bit more like Christmas. Let's take you to the maps here. You'll notice that we've got a lot of the cold air across the upper Midwest and areas across the Central Plains. We'll get a slight little reinforcing shot of cooler air late tomorrow as this little wave in the jet stream and the upper level pattern starts to sag across the country's midsection. But what I want you to focus on here is this very obvious low pressure center. It's a closed low pressure center. So it's kind of apart from the jet stream, the main flow, which means it kind of loses its steering mechanism. So it's going to basically just kind of wear out its welcome here. And, you know how that goes around this time of year if you have family in town. I'm kidding. Going to be very slow moving. So this will start to swing ashore later this week, bringing that increase in moisture. And high pressure will break down later this week, and we will start to get some snow in the high country, but it's not going to happen until at least early Thursday morning. So what you're seeing here across parts of Montana and the Pacific Northwest is a sign of things to come. But it's going to take some time. So we're going to stay dry through tomorrow and through Wednesday. Thursday, we'll start to notice some gusty winds here and some clouds increasing across the area. Clean sweep of the radar right now. Overnight tonight, calm winds, clear skies, temperatures in the 20s. We'll be hovering in the teens there in the lower Arkansas River Valley. Across parts of the San Luis Valley, just around 0 degrees there in the San Luis Valley and below 0 in Gunnison. So those valleys are very cold tonight. We're back up into the 50s for high temperatures tomorrow, increase in cloud cover by the afternoon hours. So kind of periods of sun, periods of clouds tomorrow, but still a really nice day overall, even though we're going to be above average. We'll be near 60 degrees across the southeastern plains with sunshine in the morning and a little bit more cloud cover in the afternoon. Here we go through Wednesday and Thursday. It is Thursday, stopping the clock here at 6 a.m. Snow coming into Telluride, Durango, all the way down to the valley floor in the San Juans and up into parts of northwestern Colorado. This will be a series of systems that will sweep across the high country, kind of the same track of inflow, so that means it's really going to favor those higher terrain areas, but really increasing Thursday afternoon with heavy snow coming in across I-70 and some gusty winds we'll be feeling here. Our cold front sweeps across the region on Friday, so on Christmas Eve, which could allow for some spillover snow showers across the region, maybe a few flurries, but we're not looking at any widespread accumulations right now. I think most of our accumulations will be across the high country, well west of Divide and Florissant for Thursday, Friday, and even for Saturday. You'll notice by Christmas Day, we're still contending with cloud cover and temperatures in the 30s and snow showers across the high country. So, you know, a lot of families have traditions of getting up into the high country after Christmas Day and doing some skiing. So looks like we could have some decent fresh powder, you know, in the high country for the weekend time frame. Close to a foot in some locations. You can see the legend there yielding just over 15 inches in some locations here around I-70. Likely about a 6 to 8 inch range for Breckenridge and increasing even more by the weekend. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast for Woodland Park. Temperatures staying above average for the next good 72 hours before that downfall in temperatures starts to take place in the 30s and 40s on Friday with a chance for a few little spillover snow showers. Christmas looking mostly dry, and temperatures falling back into the 50s for Pueblo and overnight lows hovering around freezing. So not teeth chattering cold by any means, but still chilly into those overnight hours. Above average temperatures will continue for Canyon City and Colorado Springs for the next several days. Some stronger winds coming into play on Thursday ahead of our system on Friday that will give us cooler temperatures by the weekend. We'll talk more about that coming up in just a few minutes.
Thank you, Mary. If you're feeling a little